Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is People Eater. This is the most high energy video I've ever made at 4 in the morning, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom artwork showcase such as this one right here in front of your face that repeats, looks really nice. What you want to do, go into your inventory, find the background that you have currently set, so you just want to type in background, find your current one, mine's here, hit view full size, and it'll open up in your web browser. So you want to copy and paste this link and go to this website, sapic.github.io, paste it into here like so, hit change background, it'll change it. You want to save this to your location of choice. I'm going to save it to my documents. When you hit go, open up After Effects, you want to hit file, import, documents, find whatever you saved. I saved this as download. I'm lazy. You want to put it as a new composition, change the composition settings. Let's make this one 5 seconds long, 506, change the frame rate to 30 because there's no point, it's just a GIF. You want to find your overlay image that you are going to use. You know, like you want to have some effects. First thing, put in the text. Let's do People Eater. Do your custom font, make it look nice. You gotta set your guides up so it actually goes to the middle of the screen. Now, because if you open your composition settings, you can see it's 506 by 506. So you want to put rulers in the middle of that. Half of 506 is, let's see, don't judge me, it's fucking early in the morning. 253. So we want to put a ruler right there. We want to put a ruler right there, and we want to go to our text. Want to go to our text, put it in the middle. You should probably resize it first. I've recorded this tutorial like 50 times. Each time that happens, you want to smack that down. Find the you know, like keyframe it to make it look how you want. Add in any effects, overlays. You can do like snow particles. If I show you my friend here, awesome dude, come on, you can see he does custom things. As his name has the lines in it as well. His profile looks really nice, so you can do that. Just mess around with keyframing. I'm going to be doing a shockwave effect on top of it. That looks like, let's get this one on top, just drag it on top. Oh no, you need to drag it into this little import, drag it on top, smack it in the middle, resize it, because move it one frame forward, scroll ahead and make sure it doesn't, you know, go outside the borders, because it looks a little bit messy. Hit blending, this is just for the one I'm doing. Hit add, go to effect, color correction, not curves, ignore that. Color correction, hue, and saturation, you want to colorize it. Make it look the same as your wallpaper background. So if I scroll in here, change this to full, you can see that looks really nice. Maybe make it a bit of a darker purple, or alternatively change the blending mode to something like screen. You can mess around with these. Soft light, that's a bit too much. Let's change it to lighten. See what that looks like. Yeah, it looks alright. So that's what it's going to look like. We'll change this, open that to transform. Keyframe in an opacity. When it properly zooms out, we will put it in a keyframe. Go back to the start, set it to 0. That's not 0. Whoops, still not 0. And then here we'll set in a keyframe. Dot. Change the end of the render. Set it to about here. Put in a keyframe. Set it to the end again. Change the opacity back down to 0. Open up this. Set in a line. Set in a line. If you don't know what these are, they just smooth out the keyframe. So the opacity, this is a graph of how the opacity works, and as you can see, it fades in and fades out, and it the graph just makes it a little bit smoother. So you can drop another line in and drop another line in, so it looks a little bit better. You can time remap it if you want, but I'm just going to leave that. When I hit composition, add it to your render queue. We'll render it as a H.264. Set the bitrate to whatever we want, because we're going to open this in Photoshop later. So we want to set this to GIF. Set it to save on the desktop, because I deleted everything off of there. Let it render through once. That's done. Open up Photoshop. Got it right here. Swag. Photoshop will open up. We want to hit File, Open, go to the desktop, find the GIF. Photoshop can open up videos. Little known fact, hit Save for Web. This is how you save GIFs. Colors, hit 256. You want it to look damn nice. If we play through that, see, that's what it'll look like. Make sure looping options set to forever, and that way Steam will just have it look good. Open up your Steam profile like so. Hit artwork. As you can see, I've uploaded this quite a lot. Hit not game specific. Hit choose file. Find the like the actual GIF. Select the title. You've got to enter one in, sadly. Hit that you created it, because you just did. And hit save and continue. Steam will upload this, which will take a rather long time. So in the meantime, you can just close everything down, because we don't need any of this anymore. Thanks to the fact that this is already rendered and is on the desktop. As you can see, that is what it'll look like now that it's done. Which, I really like this one actually. I think I'm gonna replace this one. Looks really good. So yeah, I'll put a link to this website in the description for you to use. And yeah, this wallpaper looks really sick. I recommend using a wallpaper that covers the whole screen. There's a few wallpapers that don't. As you can see, this is uploaded now, so I can go to my profile, hit artwork. Whoops. Go to your profile and then hit edit or change showcase. You need to have the artwork showcase selected. If you want to, just select the first image, because that's the one you most recently uploaded. Scroll down, hit save changes. It'll reload, and just hit return to my profile, and you can see that's the one I just uploaded. I recommend using one that covers the whole screen. If you see this CSGO one, it sort of cuts off. It's good for, I guess, well, it's good for Steam. It's not good if you want custom artwork. If you see these backgrounds like this one, not that good, because they don't have a middle bit, so it'll just look like you have a random GIF. Things like this one would look really good. So yeah, that's how you want to use it. Once again, I'll link this website in the description, or you can make it with Photoshop, but then it's just a little bit fiddly. So yeah, looks really good. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. People Eater out, and yeah, thanks for watching.